Hindi.
Alright! Good day everyone, welcome to Dolphin Friends. I am Brandon Steven and I'm your host today as we explore the fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphins. Well, here at Ocean Adventure, we have 4 dolphin species. We have a spinner dolphin, a tropical spotted dolphin, pygmy killer whale, and today, you will be meeting the bottlenose dolphins. Let's introduce our friends to you, one by one. First up is a female bottlenose dolphin. Her name is B. Followed by Nala. And the only male bottlenose dolphin, his name is Enzo. Now folks, our dolphins are very friendly and they would like to welcome you with a nice wave hello. Come on guys, wave back!
Nag-hi anak.
Whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish. Are they? Are they fish? No, they are mammals, just like you and me. But how can we tell? First, fish move their tails from side to side like this. See that? That's look hilarious, right? But for dolphins, their tail flicks that powers them in the water. It is moved up and down and it's side to side like a fish. Okay guys, please show us.
Galing.
Very nice. Now, we all know that our marine mammal friends breathe air. But how do they do it? Well, they use the blowhole on top of their head. Listen. That blowhole is a lid that opens and closes so the water gets inside. These dolphins are excellent divers. They can dive as deep as 1,000 feet and hold their breath for about 8 to 10 minutes. They also use the blowhole to talk, using variety of clicks, squeaks, squawks, and whistles. Listen again. What a lovely song from the ocean, right? Okay, right now, let's talk about the fins. You see that?
Kunin mo yung
The
towel.
fin of their back is called the dorsal fin.
Kunin mo yung towel.
It's used to stabilize them in the water. And how about those 2 fins on either side of their body? Okay guys, please show us. The pectoral fins, and they use those fins to steering themselves through the water. Now let's have our dolphins put their fins into action with some of their natural behaviors. First up, what do dolphins do when they want to seize or move long distance? They jump up in the air. Come on, Nala, one more time. Wow, just like that. Now what do dolphins do when they want to scratch their itchy skin? They do.
Apo.
The bridge. Some would also bridge to catch fish or just to communicate with other dolphins. Now what do you think dolphins do when they want to show up and have fun? They do an amazing acrobatic aerial. So folks, how about a round of applause for our dolphin friends? As you can see, dolphins are streamlined and built for speed, right? Here's a trivia for you. Michael Phelps on his best of days can reach 9.6 kilometers per hour. But our dolphins, they can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour. So guys, whenever you are ready, hit it! See that? That was smooth and fast. But wait, there's more. Get ready for the most amazing feat of all. If Michael Jackson can moonwalk, Our dolphins, they can do this. See the boats, they can walk in water. So folks, how about a round of applause for me, Nala and Enzo. You know what folks, working with this amazing animal is both an honor and a privilege. And making new friends is always fun. So we've invited the lucky guests now to meet our dolphins up close and personal. And there she is. Hello ma'am, good afternoon. What is your name? Ma'am Gladys. Do you have your friends or family up there? Where? Hi, welcome to Ocean Adventure. Now ma'am, are you ready to meet our dolphins? Ready? Yes. Okay, this way please.
Kasi ikaw yan kasama mo.
Okay ma'am, I want you to move closer to trainer Cass, kneel down, and meet B. Okay, let's start with a friendly handshake with B. All you have to do is offer your both hands, just like that. Then, over your hands, grab the fins, then smile at the camera on the stage. On the stage.
Sa friends tayo sa
Wow. And folks, here's a little known secret about dolphins. They are very ticklish. So Ma'am Gladys, I want you to tickle her right between on her pectoral fins. Okay, tickle her. See what I mean? Now that you are best friends, let's play a little games. We trainers use some signals to communicate with our dolphins. So this time, ma'am, stick both your index fingers out. Just like that. And then wiggle it. Wiggle it. Wow. And I think she deserves a fish for that. Okay? Just drop it. And you know what? Dolphins are not just good singers, but they are also great dancers. So, ma'am, I have a question for you. Are you ready to dance? Yes. Okay, stand up, please. Face your dolphins. Maestro, music, please. Stretch your arms and shake your head. And get ready for third. And third. How about side to side, ma'am? Go try it. And of course, clap your hand. Wow! You got a rhythm with our dolphins. And I think, ma'am, she deserves another fish for that. All you have to do is give it the fish. Okay, have it? Okay, let's try it one more behavior, but this time we need to move to the other side to Trainer Rian and Ivan. Okay? Okay, ma'am, I want you to move closer to Trainer Rian, kneel down and meet Enzo. Move closer? Okay. Folks, for this behavior, we need to put our hands together, lift it up, and then pull it down. And let's see what will happen next. Ready, guys? Up. Almost done. Up and down and wave bye to Enzo. Whoa! That's just a good splash. So, ma'am, are you okay? Hey, Enzo, did you do that on purpose?
Pangit mo sa akin.
Did you do that? Yes. Okay. Okay, ma'am, stand up. Don't worry about that because we got another surprise for you. Let's move to the white floater. And our surprise would be a photo with your newfound friends. Okay. You can kneel down, ma'am. Okay, you can kneel down. Then smile at the camera. Folks, we offer several opportunities to meet our dolphins up close and personal. If you want that once-in-a-lifetime experience, just ask our friend the park guides for more information. Okay, stand up now. Okay, ma'am, you've been a great guest, but before you go, I have a question for you again. How's your hand smell? Smells fishy. Okay, don't worry because I will teach you some techniques that we trainers all over the world use to clean our hands. Okay? Stretch your arms. Go try it. Both hands. Then shake your hands. Shake it real good. And then rub them on your shirt. Come on, try it. See? See it? No, I'm just kidding. Thank you, ma'am, for being such a great guest. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. So, folks, how about a round of applause for our lucky guest? Moving on, here at Ocean Adventure, we use positive reinforcement to train our